In this video, I'm going to show you how to create clickable table of contents right here in Google Slides. So when you're done working with your presentation and it's time to start the slideshow, before you do that, how about we create a clickable table of contents? So what do I mean? If I go to my film strip here on the left side and I have my table of contents, what I want to happen during the presentation is that when I click on a topic, I want it to immediately jump to the slide where that topic is. So what we want here is a smooth transition from having the table of contents while you're talking about the topic. You simply click on it during your presentation and it will automatically jump to that slide. So how do we do this? Well, we can do this by linking these elements right here to our slides within our presentation. So I have 6 topics and 6 slides on my presentation. Now, of course, this is just for example's sake. I know that you'll have plenty of other slides within your presentation, and it's important to know when the topic starts. So maybe you have a section break that you've created. Now, if you don't know what a section break is, I have a video all about it, and I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. So within those section breaks, you can easily link one of these topics to those section breaks so that you would know where that topic starts. So going back to our table of contents right here, we can easily link this to a slide so we can jump to it during our presentation by right-clicking on either that text or that shape to make it a bigger scope whenever you hover over that topic, or you can just simply link it to this text box right here. So click on that text box, right-click with your mouse, and select Link. So now you're just going to determine what slide number is that slide. So Meet the Team is on our slide number 3 right here. So you can just put in slide number 3 just to make sure it's the right slide. There we go. Click on that, and there you have it. You've automatically linked that text box to that slide. So if we go to our slideshow, let me just show you how this works. If we go to our slideshow right now, here we have it. As you see, we have again our table of contents. Now, if I hover over right here, where we have our text box that says Meet the Team, if I click on it, it will automatically go to that slide where the topic is. So that's what you want to happen during the presentation, and that's what happens when you link an element from one slide to another. Let's do that to the rest of our topics. So again, you can do this with your text box, but this time let's try with our shape. So that's just a shape within the background of my topic. So if I right-click on it, select Link, there you go. For this one, our mission is on slide number 4. So just type in slide 4, click on it, and there you have it. Now, if you're wondering where I got these slides, now these are actually layouts from a specific template right here in our templates. So if I click on this, there you have it. It belongs to this template right here. If you want to learn more about templates that are found within Google Slides, again, I have a separate video about this. I'll be leaving another card at the top right corner for you to check out later. So that's how easy you can link an element on a slide to a different slide. So if we go back to slideshow, so we have Meet the Team right here, but if I hover over this one, it has a bigger scope. It's not just within this text box, it's in the shape right there. So here, if I hover over the shape, it doesn't change the cursor, but if I hover over the actual text box or the text, I have my cursor changed, meaning it's an interactive element that I can click. If I click on it, there you have it. And if I go back, and here we have another topic that we can click on. The rest, we don't have links yet. That's why our cursor doesn't change. But if we hover over this one, then this one is an interactive one. If I click on it, here we have it. We have our mission. So if we do the same thing to the rest of our slides, now you'll notice that whenever we hover over these elements right here, our cursor changes into this type of cursor, meaning this is an interactive element. So if I click on this one right here, it quickly jumps to the relevant slide. If we go back and click on another one, here we have it. And that's how we can create clickable table of contents right here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.